Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna
ride the
all night. Oh yeah, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to see you. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you.
842 to Fort Lauderdale. Customers who would like to volunteer to have their carry-on baggage checked to their final destination are asked to see.
So, are you ready for Miami? Here we come.
Here we go. We outside finally.
Finally, if you guys know, you know, but we're outside, like literally outside. So, we're actually, it's, what time is it? It's 6, so we're boarding in like, I think 15 minutes. So, we actually should be in Fort Lauderdale for like 10:30-ish. So, we'll see what we're gonna do. Obviously, I gotta go to Chick-fil-A. Come on. So, I gotta go to Chick-fil-A. What else do we want to go to? I have? Did we? Because, I mean, we didn't really get breakfast, so. But are we even going to go for real?
Yes.
Yeah, but, like, you really want to go get breakfast over there?
Like today?
Yeah.
That's how you. I don't mind.
I mean, if it's.
I'm outside.
Because one thing about it, me and this belly, we're going to eat.
Of course.
That's one thing about it.
I'm not doing intermittent fasting.
I'm saying one thing about it, two things for sure. Anyways, we'll see y'all when we arrive, or I'll probably do a little something when I'm on the plane, but that's mainly that. So stay tuned.
So right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you can't lie, you miss me too. If I roll through, put you in the mood, it could be just me and you. Cause baby, you missed the stroke. Let me know when you're alone,
And we can ride the boogie.
baby, you missed the stroke. Just call and I'll come back to you.
Finally seated. Obviously, I'm by the window. How you feeling?
It's pretty hot inside, but I'm so happy that
I know.
we're outside.
I cannot wait
Yes.
to arrive.
In the sun.
Child, next time we need a whole jet.
Yes.
Pray for us. Okay.
God's willing.
Hallelujah. finally here. So basically we're waiting for the car rental. So I'm gonna turn this. Yep. And obviously we're both hungry, you know, and y'all, hold on. I literally don't know how long it has been. I'm already a bad vlogger. Like, how the hell? Anyways, we're going to a comedy show in West Palm Beach, and it's Rennie. I believe I'm saying it right, but it's Rennie's comedy show, so that's what we're doing. So we're gonna go there and eat. I do believe it's at City Place, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I cannot wait to laugh and eat because that's my two favorite things, like in one. So you know, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. How do you feel?
Real good.
Come on. So those are the drinks. And there goes my man.
Yeah.
It was a success.
Yes,
I'm
it was
so happy.
Super funny.
I know. No.
They put us on the spot because we from Canada. So yeah,
I know.
yeah. They said that we have. They said that I have big accent. Is that true?
I mean, you freaking do. She
Girl,
does.
My first language is French. Fuck that.
Good morning. Is it still morning? Yes, it's 11. So today it's beach day.
It's beach day.
Am I a bad vlogger? Don't say that. Anyways, so we're heading to Miami Beach. It's gonna be a little drive because we're not actually in Miami. But I'm excited. I cannot wait. And then later on we have a reservation at 5, I believe, in Nikki Beach. So, well, I'll see you guys when I'm on the beach. Okay. And then at Nikki Beach. So perhaps I'll be vlogging better because I'm getting used to this. It's a little bit awkward at first, honestly. So yeah, and probably I'll try to talk a little bit more about I guess, my life and you know what I do, so you guys get to know me a bit better and understand who I am, and that hopefully you guys actually subscribe. Okay, subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
Because there's actually going to be way more travel, places that I will go, and more content coming. So bear with me, please. Bear with me. Bear with your girl. Bear with your girl. See you guys later. We're literally, I want to say 2-3 hours after the beach. Pardon me, a little tired and hungry. So we are now close to Wynwood, actually, or in Wynwood. So we're gonna walk later on and probably try something and go for dessert later. But right now we're trying a Caribbean inspired restaurant, which is called Manger, which is mainly like Asian, and I guess they incorporate other Caribbean places inside of it. So once we get in or whatever I'm gonna walk, I'll let y'all know. So this is what it's giving. It's like somewhere back here. So I mean, I'm trying my best to vlog, but it's not actually giving whatever it's supposed to give, honestly. And I'm really the type of person, when I'm hungry, I'm not fully here. I'm a cartoon. I'm hungry.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
ride all night. Work it in and work the middle.
I wanna
remember address. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through. I miss you, and you can't lie. You miss me too. If I roll through, put you in the mood. It could be just me and you. 'Cause baby, you missed the stroke. Let me know when you're alone.
And we can ride the boogie.
Baby, you missed the stroke. Just call and I'll come back to you.
Gotta feel that heat. And we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna
we're just gonna ignore that. The same way I like to ignore my problems, we're gonna do exactly that. Don't come for me. Yeah.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. No one else. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.
Girl, last minute.
Sorry.
I think she's used to it. I think she is.
So it's gonna be 962. Okay, here. Sorry.
No, I'll take this right here. Boom, that's what I'm taking.
Cool, man.
Yes, so I'll take this one, the souvenir one, the pina colada one. No, that'll be it.
962.
Yes, there you go. Voila. Thank you so much, baby. So you guys, obviously I had to take some. This is so cute.
And obviously I have a copy. You know.
Come on. We're such tourists.
You
I
know.
cannot do. Ooh, I like this. I like this angle. This is the regular one. So I took the pina colada, if you guys didn't hear me. This one. It was like in total maybe like 9 something. You took the
cherry one.
So yeah. That's it. You guys, please do not. Yes. That's his book. Laurie. C'est solide? Hi.
Sí, me acabo de decir, como que se me vio una y yo dije, vaya para allá un momento. No es por el teléfono, sino que no, Marina, el
¿Qué?
That's what I heard.
C'est la loco.
Ok, on va tourner. So, attention, parce qu'il y a bail derrière. So, elle a dit qu'il faut tourner comme ça? So, we are here. Okay, darling.
I've been drinking. I get filthy when that liquor get it to me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Nah, nah. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Nah, 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 nah. Baby, I want you. We woke up in the kitchen saying, how the hell did this shit happen? Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. Drunk in love. We be all night, 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 all night, 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 all night, night, all night, all night, all night, 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 night. We be all I've been drinking. I get filthy when that liquor get it to me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Nah, nah. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Nah, 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 nah. Baby, I want you. We woke up in the kitchen saying, how the hell did this shit happen? Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. Drunk in love. We be
Good morning, guys. Is it still morning? Well, kinda, not really. So today we are Saturday. It's like 12:06. We have a reservation for brunch at Victory in Miami. So hopefully it's good because you girl is hungry as hell. And obviously I'll take you guys with me inside of the restaurant. So pretty much it's a restaurant and lounge. We actually took outside seatings for today. Anyways, I think they were pretty booked on the inside of the place. Anyways, and the places that they have available were on the outside. So anyways, I don't mind because I'm trying to soak in the sun out here. So if I have time, I'll probably show you my outfit. It's really nothing serious. Today's like a no makeup type of day because yeah, we don't have time for that. And after we eat and our bellies are full, we'll go to the beach. We'll go to Miami Beach. I don't know if we're gonna go back to South Beach or one of the beach. So we'll see. See you guys later. Okay, so yeah.
Are we live?
Yes.
How about it? Anyways, we're finally done eating at Victory. It was very good. Honestly, I recommend. It's also a black-owned restaurant. Customer service was really good. What else? What did you take actually?
I'd take the chicken and waffle with the sauce. It was very good.
She made me try it. That's actually really, really good. For myself, I actually took the grits and shrimps. It was actually my first time eating that, but I feel like if you're Asian and you already had like maimule, okay, it's literally this, not literally, it's very similar in the texture and stuff like that. So I enjoyed it. It was really good. Customer service, like I said, also very good. The place, the vibe, everything was immaculate. Ooh.
Yes, and the vibe, it was all black vibe. You know?
Yes.
You didn't feel like you were out of place or something.
Exactly.
Very good.
So I'd say maybe out of 10, I'd give it a good 8.5. I mean, that's fair because I feel like nothing is perfect regardless, but it was really good. So we enjoyed ourselves. Now we're probably going to walk us. We're in Midtown and rude. They're actually making a lot of noise. Sorry. So we're gonna walk on Midtown and then we'll go to the beach. But we don't know yet which one. We don't know if we're gonna go on South Beach or we're going on the beach. So I'll catch up with you guys when I'm in the beach, or I'll probably do a little footage of us walking, and if I see something beautiful, I'll share that with you. Stay tuned.